in central Georgia, Newton County in north central Georgia, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
All right, Will.
At 3:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Magnet, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
The severe thunderstorm warning to
radar
north
indicated.
of us, encompassing
Hail
portions of
damage to
Rockdale,
vehicles is
DeKalb,
expected.
Fulton, Henry, and Clayton
Expect wind
counties.
damage to roofs,
Expires about 12
siding,
minutes at
entries.
4 o'clock. We'll continue to keep you
Locations
posted
impacted
and
include
updated on
Conyers,
any weather developments.
Covington,
Raining outside
Oxford,
right now here
Porterdale,
at 92
Mansfield,
FM. I do hear some
Jenkinsburg, Georgia International Horse Park,
Bob Seger
Stewart,
would have said,
Turtle Cove,
would say.
Ola, Magnet,
We're
Worthville,
continuing on
Almond,
more music here on
Starsville,
92.
Brick Store, Eudora, North Alcovy, Fincherville, Kellytown, and Oak Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.